As you get into a comfortable position, turning your awareness to your breath, the air flowing in through your nose, moving out through your mouth, letting go, and breathing in calm, and breathing out tension from your body. And with each inward breath, allow yourself to think of and imagine that you are taking in a refreshing essence and energy. And this essence and energy moves through your nasal passages or your mouth, your esophagus, it fills your lungs. It rushes from there throughout your body, filling your blood, being carried to every single part of your physical form. Breathing in, rushing through your form, goes the essence, refreshing and rejuvenating tissues, muscles, nerves, all aspects of your physical form. And as you breathe out, allow your mind to think of all the old, the unneeded, the no longer serving you, leaving you, thoughts and energies, attitudes. Breathe those out. Let them go. So you breathe in rejuvenation, healing, cleansing, and you breathe out all that is no longer of service to you. And you breathe in refreshing, nourishing energy. And breathing out all that is no longer serving you or your higher good. And you continue breathing in and out in this manner. And as you do, allow your neck to relax, your spine, your arms. Allow your shoulders to drop. Tensions flow away with every inward breath and every outward breath. Your muscles, they become very relaxed through your arms, your stomach, your spine, your neck, your legs and feet, your hands, and your mind. Your mind becomes peaceful. The thoughts slow as you focus on your breath, as you allow the essence to come in through you, cleansing and renewing, and letting go all tensions and all energies, all thoughts that no longer serve you or are for your higher good. And you breathe. And move your attention as you continue relaxing. You continue breathing in and out to your low belly, above your pubic bone, just below your belly button. There is a lovely, vibrant shade of orange, and you continue breathing in and out. And as you do, pay attention to this region of your belly, and you notice that the orange light is like a disc. It spins with your breath, moving around, and like a funnel, it comes out from the core of your body to the front and equally from the core of your body through your back. And through the front and the back, you notice this vibrant shade of orange. And as you breathe, bringing in the life force energy through your breath, as it moves through your body, nourishing, transforming cells, it flushes down into this region of your body. And from your inner region, your inner core, the organs, the muscles, the spine, tissues within this aspect of your body, all begins to hum. This humming, it gets louder and finer, higher pitched. And you notice that the spinning, the movement of the disc within this chakra region, it continues rotating with great ease. Great ease. And you breathe. You breathe. And within this area of your body, there come the words, I am safe in my creative expression. I am balanced and harmonious in the way I move forth in my life. I am safe, and I surrender. I open, expanding in life to the opportunities that come to me. I am safe to explore, to journey, following my passions and what calls my name. I feel, I honor the whisper that calls me by my name. And you continue breathing, flowing. Shalom and peace be. Breathe.